Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video shares my personal experience with using the platform. Today, we're diving into Square Appointments, a powerful scheduling tool found at https://squareup.com/appointments. This platform offers a streamlined approach to booking appointments, managing your calendar, and even processing payments, all in one convenient place. Whether you're a solopreneur just starting out or manage a larger team, Square Appointments has features designed to simplify your workflow. In this video, I'll be walking you through the key functionalities and sharing my insights on how it can benefit your business. Square Appointments allows you to customize your booking page to reflect your brand, showcasing your services and availability with clarity. Clients can easily self-book appointments online, eliminating the back and forth of emails and phone calls. This automated system frees up your time to focus on what you do best, serving your clients. Furthermore, integrated payment processing makes it seamless to collect payments, send invoices, and manage your finances. Beyond individual bookings, Square Appointments also excels in managing team schedules. You can oversee multiple staff calendars, assign appointments, and track employee availability, all within a centralized dashboard. This feature is particularly valuable for businesses with multiple service providers, allowing for efficient scheduling and minimizing conflicts. The system also facilitates communication with clients through automated reminders and notifications, reducing no-shows and keeping everyone informed. From my experience, the user-friendly interface of Square Appointments makes it remarkably easy to navigate, even for those less tech-savvy. Setting up your account, customizing your services, and managing your calendar is intuitive and straightforward. The platform also provides valuable reporting and analytics, giving you insights into your booking trends, revenue, and client demographics, allowing you to make informed business decisions. If you're looking for a comprehensive scheduling solution that integrates seamlessly with payment processing, I highly recommend checking out Square Appointments.